Panasonic is the market leader in high brightness projection. Our philosophy is to offer the right technology for each application, as different installations do have different requirements, and it is not one fits all when it comes to robustness, durability, connectivity, picture quality, and all other features that determine a high-end projector, like the Panasonic that we are going to show you. I will start by showing you the world's smallest and lightest 20,000 lumens projector, the Panasonic PT-MZ20K. This LCD projector is ideal for hybrid learning and business meetings, as it offers high-cost performance and impressive image quality in well-lit rooms and over IP cameras to viewers participating remotely.
With a compact, easy-to-handle 22-kilogram chassis and quiet operation as little as 36 decibel, the projector blends unobtrusively into the room, minimizing distractions. Panasonic's exclusive time-saving technologies reduce installation complexity, effort and cost, making the PT-MZ20K a smart choice for value-conscious customers. The PT-MZ20K Series will be available from April 2023.
Leading the industry with compact projectors that can be seamlessly integrated in fixed installations and easy setup and handling in rental, staging operations, Panasonic introduces its new PT-RQ25 projector series. This four-model lineup includes the world's smallest and lightest 20,000 lumens 4K 3-chip DLP projector, with immersive image quality and exclusive features that simplify everything from transport and storage to installation and setup. The PT-RQ25 Series delivers up to 20,000 lumens at up to 4K 3840-2400 from all easy-to-deploy 35-kilogram chassis, a body size similar to Panasonic 10,000 lumens one-chip DLP projectors. The PT-RQ25 Series is 40% smaller and 35% lighter than its predecessor, the 20,000 lumens class PT-RQ22K.